What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick review of the Guesty PMS platform and its features. So Guesty is a PMS, which means property management system, that you can use to manage the properties that you rent. And here in this video I'll focus on its different features for hosts. So what you want to do first is go to their website, that's hosts.guesty.com, and you will be greeted with this homepage where this landing page or their homepage, where you can scroll down to view some of the features and highlights of the platform. So here you can you can use it to manage all your listing or your properties in one calendar, automate guest communication, easily coordinate team tasks, earn reviews, and create a branded direct booking system. So here are the user reviews from Trustpilot and Capterra, as well as some user testimonials and so on. So here you get the idea with some numbers and statistics. And let's first check the pricing. So here we will go to the pricing at the top, and you'll open the pricing page. If you scroll down here, you'll find different rates. You can pay monthly or annually. So let's compare the different plans. So if you have one listing, you'll pay $34 per month billed annually. If you have two listings, you will pay $51, and for 3 listings you will pay $69 per month. So the payment or the price will depend on the number of your listings, and you can click here to view additional plans if you are managing more than 3 listings. So here are the main plans or the main prices. Let's click on Get Started to create our account. So click on Get Started here. You can choose which of the following statements describes you. I manage 3 listings or less, or I manage more than 4 listings or more. So I manage, let's choose manage 3 or less. Click on Get Started here. Okay, now let's create our account. So I'll enter my work email address here and then click on Next. Or you are already, if you're already having an account, you can click on sign into your account. So I'll enter my email, then click Next, or I can sign up with Google. However, I'll do it with my email. And now you will enter your first and last name and enter your password and the promotion code if you do have one. Then check the terms, services, and privacy policy. Then click on sign up. Okay, and once I enter all my info, I'll be asked to confirm my email, and once I do, I will land on this page. So let's click on Start Now here to open my account or my main dashboard. Here, once you open your dashboard for the first time, you'll be asked to connect your Airbnb account here if you want to. However, I will not do it for now, so let's do it later. And you will land on this page right here. So here is the timeline. You have some steps left to set up your account. Here you connect your Airbnb account, import your listings from Airbnb, and automate guest communication. So for now, let's leave it as it is. So here is your main dashboard on Guesty. So first, the timeline. In the timeline here, it shows the steps missing or the steps that we need to do. However, normally when you finish these steps, the timeline will show you all check-ins and checkout times and so on for your listings by the people who rent them. And you'll be able to see everything with the time and the date and so on. And here in the calendar tab, you will get a calendar view with your daily rates, your reservations, and so on. You can view them organized in a calendar view, and you can view them by date, and you can easily interact with them and open them. However, as I said, you'll need to connect your Airbnb account first. Okay, and here in the cleaning tab, which is specifically for the cleaning services for your units or for your listings. So here you have cleaning reminders to your team or the cleaning people that you are dealing with, and here you can watch a tutorial that will explain how the cleaning tab or help you manage like the settings in this tab, and cleaning reports, upcoming and past cleaning reports, cleaner and teammate portal, where you can communicate with your cleaners and teammates and overview the tasks and organize them and so on. Checklists, where you can offer like step-by-step instructions for tasks regarding cleaning. A one-time tasks like for example, if one of your listings needs to adjust some certain elements you need, and that this will not be repeating, you will add this task here. And you can here go to terminal to find cleaners to handle your listings. So for example, let's click on cleaning reminders here, just to show you how it is done. Here I do not have any cleaning reminders or automation rules, so we'll click here to create one. Here it's cleaning check-in, and then you will continue with this wizard to finish setting up what you need to do, the tasks that you need. Let's go back to cleaning reports, cleaner and teammate portal. Let's click on one-time task. You can select a task type and then continue to select the reservation, the due date, teammate, content, checklist, and summary to enter this task. Now in the messaging tab here, you can also watch tutorials to better manage these settings here. You have a unified inbox for all your inboxes in one place here. So let's view it here. It says welcome to unified inbox. However, I do not have any messages since this is a newly created account. Let's go back to messaging. Automated messages like replies to your clients, so in an automated ways. So here, if they ask a question like scheduled messages, you can send scheduled messages to your clients. Weekly reminder messages and messaging activity. Let's go back. And here you have auto inquiry response. So if you can set automatic responses to certain like questions or inquiries so that they can be answered automatically without the need for you to go through all the questions individually. Automatically review your guest referral form, so to collect guest details in a customized form, so to know if someone, like for example, likes certain things, and if they have like an occasion like anniversary or something like that, you can personalize their experience. Send a one-time message via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. And finally, we have the menu tab. And in the menu tab here, you can view your listings here. Let's click on it. Of course, I have not added any listings yet. Let's go back to the menu tab. You can view your account settings, news, settings, channel manager. You can connect to Airbnb, Booking.com, Vrbo. The Guesty shield here, you have damage protection, which is a new feature. So you can like pay a certain amount to like have an insurance on your listings in case any guests like damage certain things or breaks certain things. So let's view the plans real quick. Okay, it says it is not available in my country or region. Okay, let's close it. Let's go back to menu. And you have a website builder, which is pretty cool. You can build your own website right from within Guesty and enter your own domain name. Income reports, expenses tracking, statistics, shared calendar, auto snooze, and many more features. And here you have at the bottom, you have the help center to help you with any questions that you have. And at the top right corner, you can click on your photo here to view your account or log out. So this was like a quick video overview of the Guesty platform, PMS platform for hosts and its different features.